Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for today I'll be showing you how it is I create wall decors for my bedroom and living area. If you want to see this video, then definitely stick around. So guys, let's get into the video. So firstly guys, I'll be taking my charger plate and applying the E6000 glue around the perimeters of the circle. That section will be used for the glass. I then will be taking my party beads and applying them around the circle along the glue. This section will be around the mirror once the wall art has been completed. It doesn't matter what color beads you use, and you can use any size to your liking. Next, I will be applying my straws around the edges. So I've applied the glue to the edges, and then I'll just go ahead to place the tip of the straws at the end, going completely around on the charger plate. Once I've completed the straws going around, I then apply some E6000 glue on the outside of the beads already placed, and I'll be making a second row of beads on top of the ends of the straw. You can use your E6000 glue here or your glue gun, whichever one you are more comfortable with using. I then reapplied the glue for a third row, on which I'll add a third row of beads. Next, I will be trimming my straws into the design of my choice, that is uneven levels, long and short. You have the option of leaving it in the full circle you like it, or if you want to cut them evenly at a shorter length, going right around. Once you have completed your design, you can go ahead and add any items. For me, I'll be adding some little studs going around randomly at any direction. You have the option of creating any look you want. If you want to make it even, if you're a neat person, a neat freak, and need them evenly distributed, or in this case where I just randomly placed my studs in different locations, you can go ahead and do so as well. We'll now move on to design number 2. This one will be made with stones and seashells. So I'll just do the same of applying the E6000 glue to the perimeter of the circle. Next, I'll go ahead to add the party beads going around. I'll be doing the same here of applying 2 rows of the party beads for this one. So after adding the beads, I'll next be adding my seashells. So I just went around the perimeters of the plate, adding my shells of different sizes, gluing them down with a reasonable amount of space in between. Next, after adding the seashells, I went ahead to drop some stones, some crystal stones in between each shell. And then I just moved on to play around with my other studs and, separating some of the party beads The loose party beads I would have gotten from cutting to fit the circle. Just went ahead to glue some of those around it in random designs, anywhere that just looks right. Once your design feels suiting or comfortable for you, then the next step we'll go to is to spray both designs. So I did apply a second coat of spray for both charger plates, and as well as for the one with the straws, I did flip it to the other side to ensure that the straws were sprayed and covered on both sides. So once you have completed spraying and they have both dried, then the next step you'll be going to is to glue the mirrors to the bottom of the plate. Once glued, these were left to dry overnight, as the glue takes about 5 to 10 hours to fully set in. So there you have it, guys, the final look for my wall decors. If you'd like to see some other designs, let me know down in the comment section and I'll definitely have some of those done for you. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about these, and if you liked the video, hit that like button. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye.
Welcome, Your Majesty.